everybody, Rob here. Before we get started in today's video, I just would like to apologize for the state of my fingernails, how filthy they were when I recorded this video. I had been working out doing some routine maintenance on my RV when I saw that this particular package was delivered, and I was so excited about getting it and recording this video that I neglected to clean my fingernails. So I went and cleaned them. So anyways, again, I apologize for the state of my fingernails. So let's get on to the video. Hello all my quilty friends. I am Rob and I'm from Quilting in the Man Cave. Today I am doing another unboxing. I have this here. I know it's not very big. My hand basically covers it. But in here we should be finding some fabric and a couple other sewing notions. So I'm going to go ahead and cut into this. Now, before I actually open this, I just want to discuss why I ordered this. There was really no particular reason that I ordered it. It's just when I was at the last meeting of the Quilt Guild that I belong to, they talked about this particular company and said that the things that they had ordered were pretty decent things. So I said, well, you know what? And I always see them advertised on Facebook, and I said, well, you know, I'm just going to give it a try and see. So I got the package open here. I'm taking this stuff out. Alright, to start with, we had some binding clips here. There should be 50 of them in this package. Not that 50 does much, but I already had some. So I'm going to take a couple out and just have a quick look at them. See what the quality is like. Oh, these seem much sturdier than the ones that I bought from a company off of Amazon. Let me hold one up here so that you can... Oh, don't know my own strength here. Much sturdier, and they come in a variety of colors. I see blues, greens, oranges, clears, pinks, and some purple ones in here. And I kind of needed a few more binding clips. The ones I had were really of very poor quality, and a lot of them, when you went to open it, they'd snap and break. And I use these for numerous things just besides quilting. I use these to hold my bags of like chips and pretzels closed. I also use them to hold things down outside in my yard. These are very, very useful items for me. And the pack of 50 was $2.78. Now you're probably wondering, well, where did you order this from? Well, I'm going to tell you now. Not that I endorse this company. This is the first time that I've ordered from them. It's a company called Temu, T-E-M-U, and I'm always seeing them advertising on Facebook, and I'm like, the prices just seem so ridiculously low. I said, that can't be good stuff. But like I said, a couple people from my quilt guild have ordered things, and they said the quality is there and is good. So I'm like, well, I'll try it. And better yet, there was no shipping charges. Nada, zero, zilch. No shipping charges. So I'm sure you're anxious to see these other things that I ordered. I bought some fabric. Now these are not jelly rolls. These are 2.5-inch strips by just short of 10-inch strips. And I'm trying to get them unfolded here. They look like they're pretty decent quality from what I'm seeing so far. The colors are really nice. Let me hold these up and kind of fan these out a little bit so maybe you can see some of the things that are in here. They seem pretty good. Maybe a little looser in the weave than your regular quilt shop fabric, but if you're going to use these to make like a charity quilt or perhaps a dog quilt that I always ask people to make and donate to their local humane society, they look like they'd be pretty decent. There's gold, metallic gold in them. I'm not sure if the camera's going to pick that up. Let's try a different one here. There is metallic gold in these. Here's a pretty one. Very Japanese, oriental in flavor or design. Yeah, these will be nice. Now, these are only just short of 10-inch strips. 2.5 by 10-inch strips. But hey, the things that I could do with that, maybe a, what is it, a rail fence quilt, or just cut them up and make some squares out of them. So I got 5 packages of these, and there's 40 strips in each package. So I figured so I have a total of 5. These 4 and this package that I opened. So I figured between all of those, I should be able to come up with an idea to make something. Oh, here's a pretty one. I like that. And then a floral print here. Purple, blue, and white. Again, I'm not endorsing this. I'm always on the lookout for new sources to obtain things at reasonable prices. Okay, so I'm pretty pleased with that. I think this will work out for what I was hoping it would work out for. Oh, here's something. I don't think I showed this one. This is really pretty. Really pretty. I don't know if you can pick up the gold metallic in there. Tip it around a little bit, maybe different lighting might catch the gold glimmer a little bit. I don't know. I'm trying. But for the price, it was $4.49 each one of these packages. And again, there was no shipping fees. So for my first order with them, I'm pretty pleased. I think they're a reputable company to deal with. The prices are just ridiculously low. Now I will say this, they don't have a lot of standard cut fabrics. It's all odd sizes. It's like I don't recall seeing any full jelly rolls, and their like layer cakes were not a full 10 inches. But hey, if you're going to trim something down after you make it, what difference is I'll get it out. What difference does it make if it's off a 1/4 of an inch if you're going to wind up trimming something down? If you like the fabric, go for it. That's all I can say. I'm not endorsing this company, but after hearing what some of the guild members had to say about it, I said, well, you know what, I'll give it a try. And the shipping was pretty reasonable. From the day I ordered it till the day I received it, which was today, it took exactly 10 days. Now, I don't think that's too bad at all, honestly. I mean, I have actually waited longer for orders from domestic companies to arrive. Heck, I'm not going to mention the name, but one company who uses FedEx as their delivery company, I waited a month for one order to arrive. Heck, the package got lost up someplace up around Atlanta and spent at least 3 weeks up there bouncing around from one suburb to another, back to the original, and that went on for 3 weeks. And it wasn't until I called the vendor and said, hey, can you find out what's happening with this order? It has been sitting up in Georgia somewhere now for 3 weeks. And I'm here to tell you the company did get on the case, and I did get that order just a couple days later. Now, I'm only 8-hour drive away from Atlanta. I mean, I could have driven up there and back and picked it up in the amount of time that it spent up there, bouncing around from place to place. So, I hope that y'all are enjoying my channel. If you are, please give it the thumbs up. And please subscribe, comment, and like the video. Heck, if you don't, well, that's alright too. You can give it a thumbs down. I don't care. It's still getting recognized by YouTube that there's some activity. The algorithms will still put it out there for people to view. But again, not bad. These clips are really nice. I wish I would have ordered a larger number of them. I believe they came in, it was like 25, 50, or 100 lots. And again, these were only $2.78. And these seem much, much sturdier than the ones that I bought from a vendor off of Amazon. There's all kinds of different sewing notions and different cuts and types of fabrics. So maybe have a look at their site if you're maybe a little strapped on cash and you want something to do, and give it a shot. Maybe you might find a new company that you want to buy things from. I mean, they don't have the brand name fabrics like Moda or Riley Blake or any, I can't think of some of the others at the moment, but some of the bigger name companies. But hey, I don't care. As long as I can get a decent product at a decent price, I'm a happy camper, so to speak. So again, have a look-see. I mean, the prices are so low. Even if you got something that's shoddy, you could probably return it. I think they have a free return policy as well. I didn't check that fact, so I can't say for sure. But hey, the prices are good. The shipping, free. And I think if you sign up with them before you place your first order, you get a discount. I don't remember. I didn't do that. I just went in, placed my order, and I was done with it. And again, it only took 10 days for this to arrive. I'm pretty pleased about that. I kind of suspect it's like very similar to AliExpress. That's my take. I don't know for sure, but it's a similar company to AliExpress. They have not only sewing things, they have household items, yard items, garden items, pet items. You name it, they have it. So have a look-see. If it can save you a few bucks and you get a decent product, hey, I'm all for that. So I am going to get ready to call it a day. It's fixing to storm here in Central Florida. It's been hot and it's very humid and it's almost like summer, and here it is just the end of April and we're almost into this summer weather pattern here. Stifling hot outside and just downright miserable. I'm sitting here with my air conditioner on and my little turbo fan blowing on me just to stay cool. And it doesn't help much that I live full-time in my RV, also known as the man cave, and they heat up very quickly in this type of environment. Oh, I hear that the rain is starting to fall on the roof of my little RV here, so I'm going to call it a day. Y'all have the best day ever. Stay blessed, stay happy, stay creative, and remember to help the homeless dogs, cats, and animals in this world by supporting your local humane society or rescue group. Alright, with all that said, I'm going to say, hasty lumbago! Bye-bye for now. See you soon.